Hi guys, in this video we will see how to connect ArgoCD to our Next.js app Helm chart. We have already see how to create Helm charts and understands what is Helm and how Helm works, how Helm chart works, what are Helm charts. We have already understand that. So in this video I am assuming you have created your own chart of your own project. I have created a Helm chart and I have uploaded inside the repository that we created yesterday, sorry. So let's see what I have created. That's the ops repo YT. Make sure your repository is public. If it is private, the ArgoCD will not keep track of your changes and will not get access of your repo if the repository is private. Let's go inside the staging. That's we already seen yesterday. In this next demo YT our all manifest are present, and in this helm inside next step chart our Next.js chart is present. We have already see how to create this chart around two previous two videos back. I have I have told you how to create this chart. ये कैसे बनाते हैं चार्ट, डिप्लॉयमेंट का हमने बनाया था साथ में. And I have also created the service and ingress chart. Let's take a look. It's the same, the release name that we give when we create our application. Namespace is also dot. जब हम अपनी एप्लीकेशन बनाएंगे उस समय हम नेम स्पेस भी देते हैं. If you have seen the video yesterday. डॉट वैल्यूज़ डॉट सर्विस पोर्ट, ये वैल्यूज़ डॉट YAML से वैल्यूज़ उठा लेगा. और व्हाट वी हैव क्रिएटेड अ इंग्रेस फाइल. इट्स द सेम इंग्रेस फाइल, सेम रिलीज नेम, नेम स्पेस नेम, क्लास नेम, वो वैल्यूज़ में से उठा लेगा. इट्स द सेम इंग्रेस फाइल दैट वी हैव क्रिएटेड in the early days of this cluster resources when we are learning it. That's the same ingress file. Make sure you don't capitalize this I, because Kubernetes understands the lowercase letters. मुझे भी जब एरर निकला था जब भी पता लगा था. नेम स्पेस उठा लेगा. In the what are this? If you are assuming, if you are confused about it, that's a if else case. If dot values dot ingress dot enabled, अगर values dot YAML में अगर ingress enabled हुआ तो ingress चलेगा, अगर enabled false हुआ तो ingress नहीं चलेगा. So if I go to the values.yaml, you can see this much we have already added in the class. That's I have added service type cluster IP and port. Ingress enable true. Enable true है मतलब तो ingress वाली फाइल चलेगी. Enables false है तो नहीं चलेगी. Class name nginx. That's it. That's our next step chart. That's the simple chart. Now if we come to our terminal, let's deploy it. If you can see in this cluster that I have recently made, I've already installed the ArgoCD and Ingress nginx. So what we have to do next, we have to get the password. Let's say kubectl get secret namespace of ArgoCD. In this initial admin secret में हमारा पासवर्ड है, that's secret, this secret ArgoCD JSON path specific field दे देगा .data.password. That's it. ये हमारा पासवर्ड है, but it is base64 decoded. If I type base64, that's our password. Let port forward our ArgoCD UI. Get service. ArgoCD server. In this service our UI is running. Let me not clear the screen. kubectl port forward service inside the namespace of ArgoCD 8080 address 0.0. Port is forwarded. Let's copy our URL if we will need it. Go to the instance, copy the IP address :8080. I'm already working, so मेरा डायरेक्टली लॉगिन हो गया. अगर आपके में लॉगिन पूछता है तो the username is admin and the password is this that we have extracted from the secret. My audio, yes, it is working. So let's create an app. Our app name will be, let's say, Next Helm app. Project default, manual, automatic, prune resources, self heal, auto create namespace. Because we have not added a namespace.yaml chart, YAML template, so we have to create a namespace. Auto create namespace, tick this. Repository URL we have already copied. कौन सा है URL? Copy this. Head, path, staging, Helm, next step, secret, staging, Helm, next step, chart, cluster URL, this namespace किस में चलानी है? Let's say next app में चलानी है. इसने हमारी वैल्यूज़ ऑलरेडी एक्सट्रैक्ट कर ली हैं. If you can see, repository, tag, ingress, enabled, replica count, service port. If we create it, as you can see, our app is created. Everything is worked, synced, 3 pods running of this deployment, services correctly, app healthy आ चुकी है हमारी, और हमारी ऐप चल रही है. So that's the way to create an app. That's the UI way. So let's understand the कौन सा इधर हमारा टर्मिनल. Let's understand how can we create through the manifest way. Let's see, let's create a application helm.yaml API version same as yesterday's application.yaml that we have created for manifest file. They're slightly changed in this. We are going to see this argo क्या नेम है API वर्जन का, argo project.io/v1 alpha1. Kind, what are we making? Application metadata name next helm 2 namespace ArgoCD specification project default source repository URL what's our URL ops that's our repository URL target revision head what's the path staging helm then next app chart is it correct now staging helm next step chart now the thing that has been added is this helm we have to tell कि इसकी value files किधर है values.yaml किधर है value files values.yaml that's it that's only the change next we add destination server https Kubernetes .default.service it's the namespace let's say next to क्योंकि next में हमारी ऑलरेडी चल रही है next 2 में चल रही है I don't know किस में हमारी पिछली एप्लीकेशन किस में चल रही है इसमें दिखेगा क्या नेक्स्ट टैब में है यस दिख गया जब टैब क्लोज होने से पहले हमें दिख गया है नेक्स्ट ऐप में चल रही है सो लेट्स से इसको हम नेक्स्ट ऐप 2 में चलाएंगे सिंक पॉलिसी ऑटो हील ऑटो प्रून होना चाहिए दैट्स ऑटोमेटेड प्रून ट्रू self heal true and one thing important sync options what we are going to tell in sync options let create namespace C is capital and N is capital नेम स्पेस बना दो क्योंकि हमारे नेम स्पेस .yaml नहीं है टेम्पलेट के अंदर सो ये नेक्स्ट स्टेप 2 का नेम स्पेस बना देगी escape :wq दैट्स आवर application.yaml कुछ नहीं हमने बस मेटा डेटा इस एप्लीकेशन का नाम नेम स्पेस ये एप्लीकेशन जो है किस नेम स्पेस में बनेगी जो कि ArgoCD में है project default repository URL our URL head what is head the latest commit on the main branch that is head it will track this head the ArgoCD will track this head path किधर है हमारा helm chart to have because it is helm chart so we have to add this helm value files values.yaml कौन कौन सी फाइल्स में है हमारी वैल्यूज़ एक values.yaml में है एक ही फाइल है करेंटली तो वन फाइल वैल्यू फाइल्स मतलब इट्स अ लिस्ट नेक्स्ट इन द सोर्स से सीधा एसी में इंडेंटेशन डेस्टिनेशन सर्वर क्यूबरनेटिस के क्लस्टर में नेम स्पेस नेक्स्ट स्टेप 2 API सर्वर की ये जो लिंक है, इस नेम स्पेस में हमारे सारे जो रिसोर्सेज चला दो. सिंक पॉलिसी ऑटो प्रून सेल्फ हील sync options create namespace. That's it. If we save it and if I say kubectl apply -f application.helm.yaml, what is it? Resource mapping not found for namespace ArgoCD from application. No matches for k ensure crdr installed first. Let's say what are it. So what's the error is, मैंने गलत लिखा है alpha. It's not APLHA, it's insert ALPHA. Now save it, apply, application has been created. जल्दी जल्दी पोर्ट फॉरवर्ड कर देता हूँ. Let's go to the UI. Applications both are running. Next Helm 2 इसका चल रहा है. सिंक हो रहा है. networking.kts.io ingress to let's wait if this give error. The previous because it was not working, क्योंकि हमारी जो सर्विस थी वो दो जगह यूज़ हो रही थी. So what I have done is I have deleted the old app, the next Helm app, and I have deleted the next Helm 2 also from this. If you can see, I have deleted kubectl delete -f application has been deleted. Then I have created again. Now if you see, it's healthy and it's running. We have seen both via the UI and both via the terminal manifest file. So that's it for the video. Tomorrow we will see how to automate, how to complete the CI/CD pipeline of our Next.js app. So we will see it tomorrow. Thank you.